Hello everyone, thank you for joining my tutorials. Today we'll see how we can able to download the daily rainfall data using the Google Earth Engine. So there is a data set which we called as a CHIRPS. So this is the CHIRPS data set where we can able to download the daily rainfall. Okay. So if we'll go to the website of this, you will see the detail about this data set. Okay. So the rainfall estimated from the rain gauge and satellite observations. So you can read the more detail about this data set, and it is data available from 1981. Okay. So nearly 35 years data we are getting here. And if you'll see here in the Google Earth Engine, data set is available, and this snippet will helpful to download the data set. Okay. So more details is given here about in the description, and code is given here as well to download the data set. So you can able to get the Python code as well from here, and this is the JavaScript code. After that, you can able to see the information about the resolution of this data set, and this data set is available in per day, and we'll see how we can able to download this data set. So I will come to back to this Google Earth Engine. So first thing what you need to do, you need to decide your study area. Okay, for which area you want to download this data set. And to download this data set, what I will do, I will delete this previously what I have created. Okay. And to create this, I will choose this study area. So I can able to draw a rectangle from here, or I can able to draw a shape from here. What are the shape I want to add? So I will take a rectangle. Okay. I'm interested to download the daily rainfall data for this region, and you will see that automatically this variable is added here, that is geometry. And if you want to change the name of this by area of interest, you can able to change, or whatever name you want to add. But I have provided the name geometry everywhere to this study area. So I will keep geometry only. Okay. So to load this data set, this image collection. Okay. So this same thing I have taken from here. Okay. From the website. From here, we can able to take the data set snippet, and after that we want to filter it for the specific date range. Okay. Now I'm interested to download it for 2023. If you're interested for 2022, you can able to select 2022. Like I'm interested to download 1 year data set. Okay. So I will add the year here. After that, we'll select the precipitation band, which contain the rainfall data in millimeters. Okay. Which contain the rainfall data in millimeters. After that, reduce the collection to a single image. Okay. Here I am calculating the average precipitation over the period. Okay. To calculate the average precipitation over the period, what we need to do, I have added here dot mean. Okay. CHIRPS. So this is the data and dot mean. So we'll get the average rainfall data. So what it will do, this function, reduce the entire collection into single image by averaging the daily precipitation over the entire year. So you can, instead of this mean, you can able to get dot first as well. Okay. For a single day. So what it will do, instead of using this, if you'll add this dot first to get the data for a single day. After that, I want to display the image on the map. Okay. So for that, I'm adding here that map dot center object. So here I have selected the 5, zoom level is 5. So you can able to change the zoom level. Then I want to clip this daily rainfall data, okay, with my study area. So this daily rainfall data I will clip with the study area. My study area is a geometry. Okay. So my study area is a geometry. And after that, this range I have selected. So here the rainfall value between 0 to 50 mm, and blue color shows the minimum rainfall and red color shows the maximum precipitation. After that, I'm exporting this image to drive. To export this image to the drive, daily image I want to clip with my geometry. So geometry is my study area. Then this is the rainfall data, daily rainfall data I'm providing the description, and the cell size. So you can able to change the cell size from here. So if you'll come on the website, you will see the cell size is given 5566 meters. So I will change the cell size, and this is the data I'm providing, EPSG 4326, that is a WGS 1984, and I'm clipping with my study area, and this is the maximum pixel allow if my area is bigger, so I can able to download the large pixel as well. And after that, there is a time series graph we are creating here, time series graph. So this graph I'm interested to create here, time series graph. So for that, I have written this code. First we'll run this. Okay. So I will run this. After that, you will see one chart is creating here. Okay. So this is the daily rainfall chart is creating here. And for that, I have written this code here, time series graph. So this UI.chart.image.series creates a time series chart using the image from the CHIRPS data. Okay. So after that, this image collections we have selected to filter the collections. And after that, we're interested for the geometry region, that is study area. And this mean data we are using here. And this is the scale of this image we have selected. And this is the x-axis of the chart for the time series, which image was captured. Okay. And here we are adding the title. Okay. So daily rainfall data. Then date we are selecting. Then rainfall in mm you will get. And the color bar you will see in the blue color. Okay. And we are printing it. So I printing the rainfall time series here. And if you click here, you will get the chart. You can able to export in a PNG, or you can able to download this CSV file. If you click here, this daily rainfall data will download here. I will open this. So this EE chart, if I'll open, you will get the daily rainfall data. So now you can able to see 1st Jan, 2nd Jan, 3rd Jan, and you are getting the precipitation of that day. This is the mean precipitation or average. So this way you can able to download this data set, and you can able to download the PNG as well. Okay. So you can able to add this PNG data set in your publication or anywhere you can able to add, and you can able to provide the reference for this. Okay. So this way we can able to export, and after that I will come back to the script, and you can able to export this map as well. Okay. So this map also you can able to export, and you can able to change color and all that in softwares. So you can able to download this in GOT file format. So if you click on the run, you can able to provide a name, folder name, and you can able to run. So it will be export, and you can able to download from there. So if you are having any doubt regarding all these things, you can ask me in the comment sections. If you require any help with your project, you can contact us. Details are given in the description box. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.